You know, for the longest time, the budget gaming PC meta has been either get an office PC and slap a GPU in there, or, you know, maybe you want to be a little bit fancier. You would go find yourself a Ryzen 5 3600, pair that with a B450 motherboard and maybe a GTX 1060 or an RX 580, something like that. And that would be how you got into budget PC gaming for around, you know, 500 bucks or so. But what if we can go mostly new parts, maybe not the GPU, still come in for $500 or $600, have an upgrade path, and have a gaming PC that actually looks pretty good and still has that upgrade path? I think that's what we're going to try to do today. Whoops, just a second guys, got a message here. So it's our friends over at PCBros.tech. Hey Joe, PinkyTech, can you do our next ad spot in the style of Dracula flow? What do y'all think this is? Ad spot GP?
PCBros forgot. I am him. I'll continue to be him. If you want to be 100% Himalayan, you need this Pro Streamer PC. PC have you gaming like a Hellcat V8. You ain't never seen 10 stacks in your life, kid. So use code PinkyTech4 at checkout for 4% off. I'm on that Arctic Nocta Wham Jam Arctic Paste. And my temps be lower than these budget PC prices. These custom built gaming PCs got me dropping knobs like bots in FortNite. They ain't nothing to me, man. PCBros.tech be moving PCs like French Montana. Huh? You think I care about merch? I don't care about your merch. I got no compassion for broke boys. So you better use code PinkyTech4 to save 4% off your order. Ah! Saving too much money. This ain't nothing to me, man.
If you sat through that ad spot, you're a real one, and also I apologize. And you're welcome to those of you who are a bit sicker in the head, which is probably most of my audience. Anyway, on to the parts. So starting out today, we have the Ryzen 5 4500. Now this is a 6-core 12-thread processor similar to the 3600, but it is missing some of the cache. That being said, it costs about $70 to $75 depending on whether or not you can pick it up off of Amazon or Micro Center, and should give us similar performance to that Ryzen 5 3600 for basically $20 to $30 less than the new one costs. For the motherboard, we have the Asus Prime B550 motherboard. This is an ATX version, which is going to match the case that we're using, and I'll get into that a little bit more later. Nothing really fancy about the motherboard, but it is B550, so we can upgrade, maybe put in a 5600X later, or something like that, or maybe they drop a new 5800X 3D. All good options. It's AM4. What do you expect? Moving on from there, I got this 16 gig kit of G-Skilled Ripjaws RAM. I got this for $20 at Micro Center, but you can generally find this for around $40 to $45. Pretty readily available in pretty much any PC website. For storage, I got this silicon power drive. It is Gen 3, but so is this processor, so that's absolutely fine. And for gaming, you're not really going to notice a big difference between a Gen 3 and a Gen 4 drive anyway. But I got this one. It is the 1 terabyte flavor of the drive, and it cost around 60 bucks, give or take, at the time of this recording. And yeah, I'm not happy about RAM and SSD prices going up either, but it's the breaks, man. It's the world we're living in. And even though the Ryzen 5 4500 actually comes with its own stock cooler, I went ahead and upgraded to this Thermalright Assassin ARGB cooler. I think that's what it is. Yeah, let's go with that. So I went with that particular cooler. Basically, it looks a little bit better. It costs 20 bucks and will give you better performance. For the power supply, we have the Apevia Prestige. It is tier C on the PSU cult list if you're into that sort of thing. This one is 600 watts, so plenty of power, will power everything in this system, and was about 50 something dollars when I ordered it. And that's an approximation because I forgot and I'm not gonna go back and look. So I'm lazy. And for the case, we actually have this Apevia Prism Elite. Now, full disclosure, the reason we're using this case right now is because I won it. That's right, I won a contest from Instagram or Twitter from Apevia, and I got this case for free, and I wanted to use it because it actually looks like it's pretty good. It does have glass on 2 sides, it has plenty of cable management room, and comes with a bunch of RGB fans included, and also it's white, so it looks nicer and should help me sell it pretty fast on Facebook when I'm done with this project. And then to help match that, we do have some Asia Horse cable extensions. These are white to kind of bring together the white and black theme. And then of course for the pièce de résistance, or however you say it. I was able to pick up this RTX 3050. This is the 8 gig version, not the 6 gig version, for about $140 off of Jawa. So able to score a pretty good deal on that graphics card, and it should actually fit very well with this Ryzen 5 4500. And once again, switch out the motherboard and the case, which are a little pricey for this budget. Maybe use the Montech Air 100 ARGB or even just the Previa Prism, and you can actually get this built for about $500 to $600. So let's get this all put together and let's see how she performs. All right, sorry, I was walking my goldfish, but we're back and we are in Warzone. So basically, balance preset here. 1080p, have VSync turned off, low textures, but pretty much the balance preset. Man, those COD load times are something else, aren't they? All right, I don't know where I'm going anyway, so we're just gonna go for it. I mean, that wasn't a half bad landing right there. Haha. I suck. You should have been dead. It's gotta be in this building healing. Oh, there's another one.
The enemy lost track of you. Good work down there. You got a loadout drop.
Someone else shooting from this side. Ah! And I suck. Fake right, and then we go left. Did you just...
Give it a solid try. Time to head back to base.
Alright, we're done with Warzone. And FPS was fine, I guess. Oops, sorry. I was combing my hair. My bad. It takes a little while. Anyway, Apex Legends 1080p, pretty much high settings and VSync enabled. So let's get into a match. See how we do here. Alright, so jumping into Apex Legends, off the drop we're about 80 to 90 FPS, so looking pretty good. Should be a bit better once we actually hit the ground. I'm going to hit this close one and see how we do. I'll take a Mastiff. Alright, so far in Looting Simulator here, we're up to 120 FPS, so not doing too bad. Alright, well that didn't go well. But we're getting over 100 FPS. We dropping hot, boys. Dropping down 90 FPS, that is not bad at all. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. Oh, got him. Gotta get in here quickly. Ah, that didn't finish. Well, the gun reloading. That's it. Anyway, Apex Legends over 100 FPS, looking really good. Time to move on to the next one. Sorry. I was praying to the YouTube gods that this video goes viral. So like and subscribe. All right, so FortNite, 1080p, and these settings, you guys are welcome. Pause it, rewind it, all that good stuff. Don't forget to thank the driver. All right, looks like a little over 100 FPS on drop. So overall, not too bad so far. Should smooth out once we hit the ground here. It looks like somebody's getting down before me. I hear you. Oh, hello. Oh no, we're both bots. But you die, bot. Haha. All right, next. Oh, they're over there. Let's see if we can get them. I don't think that went far enough. Maybe it did. Ha 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 ha. Oh, this guy's gonna be so mad. Ha 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 ha. Third party. Wait a minute, wait for it. And 135 FPS, so okay, cool. Juice up a little bit here. Do I want any of these? I don't think I do. Hey. Calm yourself down. Get out of here. You two, come on. Bring it. Y'all cannot. You just cannot. All right. You guys, they don't want it. They don't want it. That's all I can say. So glad I get put into the bot lobbies. Ah, I'm stuck. All right, you got lucky. I got stuck. Anyway, that's FortNite, anywhere from 80 to well over 100 FPS, but looking pretty good. So let's roll the rest of the synthetics and we'll wrap this thing up. All right, guys, so for $500 to $600, 1080p gaming, well over 100 FPS in a lot of games, I think this is the new budget meta. But if I'm wrong, leave a comment down below. And once again, you've got a good upgrade path. You can go to a 5600 or a 5800X3D. You've got options to actually get a better processor. And of course, switching out a GPU is super simple in pretty much every system. So I think we did a good job here. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. As always, guys, consider liking and subscribing, all that good stuff. Leave a comment, follow me on my other socials. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.